Chapman, you are an absolute legend for building this. Today something completely new. We're gonna drive this beauty right here, Lotus Elise 340R. Yes, this is an Elise. I'm gonna try and get in here without damaging anything. There's only 340 of these made worldwide, so they are really rare. Surprisingly, the pedal box is exactly the same as in my Lotus Elise. Oh, the sound. Wow, the seating position is completely different to the Caterham and my Lotus. Wow, the turn-in is actually nice, but there is something wrong with the exhaust. We do know that. They told me. Here we have the spec sheet. Honestly, to drive, it is pretty similar to my Elise actually. This is a car from the year 2000, 30,000 kilometers on the clock, so not much. Currently, this is for sale at Kumschick. So if you want to buy this, be fast, because again, very limited amount of cars. If I'd had the money, I'd buy it in a heartbeat. The air cooling is not automatic, so you need to watch the temperature, the water temperature, and then turn it off or on. At around 85 degrees, they told me you should turn it on, and then you pull it out, then it's on. Yes, this is definitely a bit lighter and more direct than my Lotus. Okay, let's give it a pull. 180 horsepower, it feels like a lot with only 700 kilograms. Goodness gracious, okay. This is definitely more potent than the Caterham we just driven because of the wider tires, I guess. Wow. You can drive this in second gear a lot. Oh my god, the grip of this is insane. If you have the money to buy this, don't wait for long, because I'm sure this is going to be gone in no time. Link in description. Also, I'm going to put the phone number in the description of Kumschick, because you need to be fast to buy this. Oh, okay. Here a quick Rechtsvortritt. No one is coming. Let's go. This is much better than my Elise, no joke. Even though it's 20 years older, it sounds so good. Again, here no ABS, no traction control, nothing in this car, just as a Caterham. Okay. Wow! The grip is insane in this. You don't even have to brake for corners. What? Oh. Oh my god, this thing also pulls. Let's go right here. Wow, no traffic today. Also very nice. Oh my god. The brakes are so good. Second and third gear are actually really close. You can do almost everything in third gear. Nice, we have no cars oncoming here. These are two really nice corners. No braking needed. Woo-hoo-hoo! Okay, but here pretty blind, so let's slow down a bit. Oh, okay, let's give it a first gear pull. Oh my god, the rev limiter doesn't hit anytime soon. Blind cornies. As Aussies drives would say now, where is the It's right there. Oh, he's going out, probably because he wants to let me pass. Thank you very much. Wow, I love these guys. Wow, the brakes are exceptional actually. Guys, buy this car right now. Honestly, call Kumschick. If you have the money, buy it, because there is not ever going to be anything like this. Oh, sometimes I wish I was a millionaire so I could just buy it. My goodness, 340R, it's very light. Very, very light. Chapman, you are an absolute legend for building this. Oh my god. Let's continue this drive. I have nothing to say. I am speechless. Oh no, I stalled it. I stalled it. Yeah, unfiltered right here, you're gonna hear it. Okay, we are back. It has a lot of character. Not your usual car. Okay, speed limit again. The speedo in this car does not reflect real world speeds. It does have a big difference to the GPS. We always obey the speed limit here on this channel. We obey all the rules and have some fun. Hard braking. You can really feel the front wheels washing wide. It's so predictable. Does anyone have any advice how to make more money so I can buy more Lotuses and Caterhams? I just literally want every version of any of them. How are these cars so fun? Look at this absolute beauty. Oh my god. Woohoo! That was even third gear. I could have taken in second, but it actually has a lot of power in third gear. Whoa. I actually want to know where the red line is. Let's hit first gear limiter. Whoa, what? I didn't even hit the limiter. Oh my god. It has so many revs to play. Thanks a lot, Kumschick, for letting me drive this. It is insane, as always, when they let me drive a car. This makes me think it's actually a shame that cars like this are never going to get built again, except for obviously a Caterham, but a modern version of this would be mwah. Woo-hoo! let's get a little trail braking action with a heel toe downshift. Second gear. I had to catch the plastic. We have someone here. I want to have this road free. I don't want to go into any traffic, so I'm quickly gonna wait. Okay, this gives us the opportunity to give it another first gear pull because the red line is so high in this Rover engine. Listen to it turning. Third gear. Oh, this was fifth, I think. Third, okay. Yeah, you need to get used to the gear shifts. And third gear is actually so good. I'm surprised. I'm used to going into second all the time. Yeah, the books again, bye-bye. Okay, let's downshift. Take this as fast as possible. Woo-hoo! Yes! Oh, heel toe. It's also pretty easy in this car actually. This. Whoa! Here is the I'm literally speechless. The car talks for itself. Like, it looks absolutely stunning. It sounds amazingly good. What more do you want? It feels like a Caterham in an Elise body almost. This is probably the best of both worlds. If you can't decide if you want to buy an Elise or a Caterham, you're probably gonna get this. Honestly, just if you have the money, get this above anything else. I will take this over my Elise Cup 250 all day long. And this is such a rare opportunity to actually drive a car like this because again, only 340 were made worldwide. A couple were crashed, so let's say 300 are still intact, maybe. This is one of them. And this sound will never get old. What in the world? Even in fourth gear, 3000 RPM. The downshift is also... Ah, it sounds so mean. Leave a like down below. Again, if you want to buy this car, go to Kumschick, link in the description, phone number in the description. And with that being said, if you want to see a video where I watch a Caterham, check the video that is popping up right now. I'm gonna see you in the next one.